Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.
Lupe, let me in. Not by the hairs on my chin. So I huffed and I puffed and I blew that thing down. Next thing I knew, he was running around, so I chased that big down. Wanted some bacon, so I had to go to his big brother's house and I blew that thing down. Little Red Riding Hood didn't ride home, so I'm after you now. I'm a real alpha wolf, this ain't Winnie the Pooh. Don't try to cry wolf, I'm not lying to you. My McDonald's money is low, so you'll do when I got the right shoes, so it's over for you. Come here, little pigs, I need my 2-course meal. It's a fairy tale, but I'm for real. I had Mary's a lamb, but a wolf's hungry still. I need food that'll fill. I need some bacon, I need some fries, I need some pork with some pie on the side. I need some sausage with beans and some rice. I need that candlelit dinner tonight. They told the wolf, oh, you tripping for real. I'm way too cute for a snack, I'm a meal. We came from the mud, we are worse fools who beat. Yes, we're the pigs, but you don't want this beef. You know what, little pig, I'm tired, I'm not here to play. If I don't break dinner, I won't have a bait. You don't even follow me back on the gram, so don't think you could beat me, I'm about to go ham. Lucky for them, I had tripped on a stick, so they made it to their brother's house made of bricks. Wolf came up after and saw the little pigs. He came to the pig's door and then the wolf said, Little pig, let me in.
What, George?
I just got a question. Why do your nose run but your feet smell?
Because you know...
Exactly.
So I'm going to play you a bunch of songs that you probably thought you'd forgot about. So if you do remember any of these songs, then you need to like this video because you are a TikTok legend. Let's go. And finally,
Open Gangnam Style.
So guys, we all know Spider-Man from our favorite superhero movies, but if you think about it, we're never told who Spider-Man's parents actually are. But I think I may have found the answer. So the name Spider-Man is 9 letters long and he lives in New York City, which is 3 words. Multiply those two together and we get 27. Nothing too strange, right? But if we look on the newest Avengers Endgame poster, there are only 12 Avengers shown on the poster. And if we subtract those two numbers from each other, we get 15. And guys, stick with me here because this is why the number 15 is so important in discovering who Spider-Man's real parents truly are. So first off, 15 is the title of a popular song by which artist? None other than Taylor Swift, which must mean that she's the Spider Mom. But then who's the Spider Dad? Well, if we do some simple math, 1 plus 5 is 6, and who has 6 Infinity Stones? Well, none other than Thanos, which means that their only answer is that Thanos and Taylor Swift are Spider-Man's real parents. Guys, my Spidey senses are tingling and I'm Spidey shook.
Holy shit.
I focus on the pain. The only thing that's real. I'm hurt.
If you're hurting, don't hold back the pain. Drawing back the curtain, I'm not for certain, but you a better person. Take the time to set it all out, just get it out. You don't need an explanation how the time is late, the hours now. The world is yours for the taking. Pay no notice, just take it. If you can't smile, just fake it. One day you'll make it, cause it's a promise of the naked. If you stay inside the box, you'll be the only one that's hurting.
I'm hurt.
Yeah,
that was so bad. That was sick, Flicker.
That was so hectic.
Like,
这里边有一只小猫困到里边了，听一下声音。看见没？没错。
to raise a weakling! Mom, I can't do it! Get out the way! I'll show you how it's done!
It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life for us. Static treated, we get stripped. Static business, we get kicked.
Delicious Pepsi. Thank you.
How many shrimps do you have to eat before you make your skin turn pink? Eat too much and you'll get sick. Shrimps are pretty rich.
Jimmy Turner, my name is Dust, give a damn, give a dust, give a damn, give a dome, give a dip, dome, give a dome, give a damn, give a damn, dome, give a damn, dome.
I just drank no sugar Coke, but little do I know, no sugar Coke still has sugar in it. Now I'm gonna get diabetes, I'm gonna die and no one will miss me.
That's it, Homer! I'm leaving you! I'm tired of these games!
Marge, wait! Take the damn baby with you!
Alright, slow it down.
Oh no, I'm gonna beat you.
Not a chance, Bree. Why don't you draw 4 and maybe another 2? Now that's 8, 10, 12, 16,
No!
reverse and skip!
I don't want to play anymore.
Oh!
Riding around the block with a Glock, yo ass finna get shot. That's the silencer. That's the grenade launcher. I'm finna kill you.
Dude, it's my ex.
I don't with you. You little stupid ass. Wow. Can't with you. You little dumb man. Wow.
Shit's about to... Shit's about to...
So let me get this straight. So this right here is the moon. And this right here is the US. And we took a rocket from the US all the way to the moon. And on that rocket was a man. And that man's name was Neil Armstrong. And you see, Neil Armstrong's name can be abbreviated as Neil A. And if you reverse it, you get alien.
How do you look Hawaiian? Hello? Don't. Oh God! Babe? Nope, nope, nope. Oh, nice. Okay, so now you're just being fucked up. Wow. It's okay. I see what you did there. Fuck you. Oh shit!
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire.